This one works out to be one of my favorite questions ever because of the fact that you actually have to really understand all the formulas to really get a handle on this question. Look what this says. It says the sum of the n terms. They give you a general formula for sum. Oh, that's nice. Sn equals to 3n squared minus 2n. There's your formula. But here's what it says. Determine the common difference d. Oh no, what am I going to do? It's actually a lot easier than you think. Here's what I'm going to do. Let's figure out what S1 is. Now, I know you're probably saying, what do you mean, S1? What do you mean? Isn't S1 the sum of one term? So that sum of one term is T1. Oh, so if you find S1, you can find T1. That's easy. Okay, well, let's substitute that in. S1 means that all of these n's have to match. So this would be 3 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1, right? So 3 times 1 squared, if I'm not mistaken, that's just 3. 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3. Oh, okay, that's 3. Minus 2 times 1. Oh, 2 times 1 is just 2. Well, 3 minus 2, term 1, T1, and S1 is in fact 1. Huh. Okay, well, let's take this one more step now. Let's go to S2. S2 is T1 plus T2. Well, you know what? I know what T1 is. I can easily find T2 if I need to. Oh, yeah, that'll be really simple. Watch. Find me the sum of the two terms first. Okay, using this formula here, that's a 2, that's a 2 now, and that's a 2. What do I mean? Okay, so 3 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2. Remember? Okay, think about it. It's right here. There's the formula for you. 3 times 2 squared. So 2 squared is 4, right? That's 4 times 3. Well, that's 12. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 4, that equals to 8. But remember, that is the sum of two terms. The first term, 1, so sum of two terms is 8. That means it's term 1, 1, and term 2. Oh, cool. Check this out. I could actually use this idea here to find out what my second term is. Subtract 1, T2 has got to be equal to 7. I've got term 1 to be 1, I got term 2 to be 7, and I know 7 minus 1 is my common difference of 6. What a neat question, but boy, you got to understand everything there is to know about sequences and series.